Okay, there's the Starlink. We got it attached to a big old telephone, well, big fence post. Screwed it down in there. Adjusted it to the satellite. There's no obstructions, no trees around. Got a clear view of the sky. We put it in PVC pipe. Goes all the way in the PVC, all the way down. We buried it about, I don't know, 12 inches down. It's about 100 feet towards the house. We drilled a hole in the side of the house and put it in. And the monitor, or the thing it plugs into, what do you call that? But anyway, we put it through the wall, come up through the floor, and actually we just put it through the wall. And that's it.